All right, so this is what I want to address. I have those things from IKEA. Not sure if you watch Talia's Nail Tales, but she has them. They're like these long strips. I mean, you'll see them in a sec. So I'm going to take all these out and we're going to organize them. Well, it's definitely not perfect, but I have to say, seeing my glitters like this is a little bit easier to, what's the word? Envision what I have. And I could see myself using another drawer, obviously, but I have these up here. I mean, I still have like these glitters and stuff. And these are my old MAC pigments, but I'm thinking about getting rid of like all of them, except for maybe like a couple, like the actual glitters. I think that's NYX. No, it's MAC. And then I might put these in those containers as well. And that way I can maybe have like 2 or 3 right here. And then these can all stay up here just normal. So that's my thought on this, but I'm going to take a break because that was a lot of work. I have to address these new striping brushes, which are amazing. If you didn't see that video, like, just look at the color. I already have so many things planned for them. All right, I need help. So this is where my gel polishes are. Yeah, it slid forward, but this is where, or I should say slid back, where I keep them. But I feel like, one, I have to integrate the rest of them. I have these in here, and I use these all the time. Well, let me rephrase. I use these all the time in this drawer. But I feel like this drawer might be wasted here. Like, this is all the swatches from down there. Well, most of them. And then I have this, which is my stamping drawer, but I'm not quite sure if this makes sense. So I feel like this needs to move, but I don't really have a good place for it. And I don't like anything out, but I have so much stuff out at this point, it probably doesn't even matter. But I do need to integrate things in here. So I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with these because I reach for these all the time. And so I'm constantly putting them here. I did find this. So let me try. Honestly, I think this will work much better because I think there's 2 other sets that I eventually want to get, and so it will give me room to grow, and I'm probably going to put it on top of my drawers or on the side, and I think I might try to put something in here as a divider, or do, like, if I have extra ones of these. Oh man, almost. I'm gonna try this one. I think this one better. Yes, this one does work better in the current time frame, but I'm glad to know when I get at least one more pack, I can move into this one because I have, I think, 2 or 3 of these, so good. All right, so I got rid of most of these because honestly, I don't use them. So I gave them time. I had them in here. The only thing I did was put my glitters up here because I am probably taking this out, moving these up, and I'm probably going to put a couple glitters, like some of those rows here, and rearrange this because I'm probably going to do that with these as well. I'm gonna put them in these containers.